Have you ever been to an MLS game and seen the little VIP club and been like, what is that all about? Well, in the most recent DC United game, I actually had the chance to be a part of the Heineken Club, and here is my experience.
Steak on the chest, bro. What happened here? Like an oil spill or something?
I thought it was going to be this.
Thank you. You have seats. Thanks, dang. Pretty good. No! It's like off center. I'm gonna get. Hello. Is it just self-serve?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Are you not streaming right now?
Nah, not live, just recording.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we make like a little experience video. Yeah. Take some of these too, right?
You could if you want to. I can steam it up a little bit more for you.
Nah, it's okay. You want this one?
Yeah, just one piece. That's good. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, excuse me.
Okay, so now you may be thinking, well, why did he even think I was streaming in the first place? Well, it's because I was actually recording everything using this camera right here. And today's video is actually sponsored by myself. I bought the camera, so I'm not gonna just endorse them for no reason. The camera, it's okay, whatever. I'm actually sponsoring myself for today's video, so if you can do me a favor, take a look at my new Instagram. I'm gonna start posting on it, posting reels, posting just random crap, pictures, things that I like, things that are like look nice to look at, and just I think content that's funny and things that I kind of want to put out there and inspire other people to create content too. So I'm not sure how I actually want to start doing these videos in the future. I don't know if I want to, do more live commentary during the videos, or if I want to leave the commentary for like a post-production type thing. For this video, I think I'm gonna just try to keep the yapping to a minimum. I'm gonna let the video do the speaking for itself, and just let me know what changes or things I can take into consideration for the future. Essentially, just to give a little more context to everything, we got there. We were very late. Well, not very late. We wanted to get there really early to enjoy the food, but we actually got there just on time before kickoff, and we were actually kind of eating through most of the first half. By the time the first half ended, DC United were already 4-0 down. So, it is what it is. People have bad days in the office. My sophomore year, we lost 6-1 to our rival team. Stuff happens, man. But for the rest of the video, I think I actually have some pretty cool shots of up close with the players on the field, and just some cool things to look at, essentially.
I guess we're gonna eat here and then go to our team. I guess. Bring me on the shit, bro.
Linda.
Well, no, I will never know how I spoke into your camera.
Over there?
I can't even lie. I'm gonna go grab.
Sí, amor, no fue mal.
That's the last game.
I just want to see it. GMO blueberries. Yep.
I mean, that's it, FanDuel. I'm in the Heineken rooftop.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. These y'all were smart. Come get on the elevator, everybody else will go up them stairs. I'm like, y'all got the wristbands, y'all go where y'all want to go. You gotta take all them steps. I ain't gonna never walk them, huh?
You gotta look around.
Yeah. And nobody go
Thank you.
around to the right, to the
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, we just go down. I mean, I'm not too concerned about that. See the lady? I just go down.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey.
That kid to come in the pitch, hell yeah.